Thank you, Raniji, for coming on the podcast. I'm so flattered that you haven't done podcasts and this is your first one. So
Yes,
thank you
only
for
for you.
choosing. Thank you. Thank you so much for choosing this. And congratulations for your
Thank you.
national
Thank
award.
you so much.
It was phenomenal to see you and Shahrukh together. Of course, Vikrant was also there, but to see the two of you finally get it, I mean, it should have happened 30 years ago. But I'm so glad you got it and got it for such a fabulous film. I'm so glad that this happened. What was that moment for you like there?
So obviously, I'll take you back to the moment from where I got the news of winning the national award. So I was at the place where my dad passed. So I had redone that space and made it into my office, and I was doing a Griha Pravesh Puja on that day. You know, the puja. And I finished the puja and I sat, and my mom had also come to see the new space. And I was just telling her that, the place where I did the puja was daddy's room, and we've spent so much time here. So that entire day I was feeling my dad's presence very strongly on that day. And I had him in my mind while I was doing the puja and while I was meditating. And when I sat on the chair and I was just talking to mom, and mom was like, "Yeah, coming here just brings back too many memories." And I get a message and a call that you won the national award. And I was like, "Oh my God." And this was my father's wish for the many years that I was in the industry and while he was alive. He really rooted for me. He was rooting for me each year that I would win for, one of my performances, and it never happened while he was alive. So it just felt very surreal because I, told mom that, "Mom, I got a message I won the national award." So she also couldn't believe it. She was like, "What?" I said, "Got a message that I won the national award for Mrs. Chatterjee." So she took a beat to, understand, and then she started howling. She started crying and she said, "If dad was here, he would be so happy." I said, "Yeah, I just feel like as if dad has made this happen
Yeah.
because I was feeling his presence so
His
strongly."
Ashirwad that day.
Absolutely. And
But he
so,
wasn't there to see it. That also, no?
but he's somewhere there. He's blessing me and he's feeling happy. And also, I want to say that all my numerous fans for so many years, who have been wanting this for me, my family, my friends, my well wishers in the media, in the film industry, whoever uh, thought that I was worthy of winning an award, it made them so happy. Especially my fans who have always been there, like they are like my those those soldiers who are like protecting me throughout. You know, कभी भी थोड़ा सा भी film कभी अच्छी नहीं गई, but they've always been my support, and I've said that you don't worry, we are with you, and we loved your work. And also somewhere down the line, because I had my blinkers on, always wanting to do good work, never disappointing my audiences, because I've always said this, that a film working or not working is not in our hands. What is in our hands as a team, when we make a film, is that we have to work hard and give it our best, like our 100% or more than 100%. Then how the audience receives the film is not in our hands. They might not be in a mood of watching a particular story or a genre. you know so that's never in our hands. But what's in our hand is the belief that we have in that script, the belief to do the best work. And not only me, there are 200 people on set, 200 people who are part of making that project. It's never just an actor making a film. It's the director, the music director, the lyric writer, the editor, the production designer, the spot boys who actually keep everybody fed, everybody hydrated throughout the shoots. It's not simple, to actually take care of them. Then the production people, who make sure that people reach the shooting on time, arrange the cars, arrange the hotel, arrange this, arrange that. There's so much that goes behind making a film. The camera department, the camera team, the DOP, there's so many people who together come together and make a film. So we all can just work hard and make sure that we make a good film. Then it's the audience's choice whether they like it or they don't like it.
So
So
when in
I've
this movie, you didn't think na ki this will become an award-winning performance. Did you think?
See, I always
It
work
was
hard. I
fabulous
always work
movie,
hard.
but
But it's
difficult.
always एक नजरिया होता है ना कि
हाँ.
कैसे कोई आपके परफॉर्मेंस को देखता है. मतलब some people might find it ordinary, some people might find it, she's done a good job. Some people might find it, oh, she's done an extraordinary job. Some people will be very moved by the performance. Somebody might feel, acha, thoda overacting ho gaya. Some people might say this is an award-winning, award-worthy performance. So it's always a perspective, you know. But I have to work largely for my audience, you know, an audience who watches the film and empowers me to do my next. Because if they go and see my film, then they empower me to do my next. Because then a producer feels more confident in producing a film with me. That when we do a film with Rani, we know that we are going to have the returns. And the returns are what? How many people have seen the film?
Okay.
You know? So that is very important for me, that my producer should be happy. He should make money out of the film that he does for me.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is, टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.